How to fix group settings on TikTok app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on three lines at the top right. After that, click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. In here, click on Privacy, which is the second option. In Privacy, click on Direct Messages. Here you'll find group chats. Click on Group Chats. And if you don't want people to send you invite to group chats, you can simply click on No One at the bottom and turn off invite of the group chats. And this is how to fix group settings on TikTok app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.